In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a picture transparent in Word. If you want an image to look softer, sit better behind text, or blend more smoothly into your document design, adjusting transparency is a simple and useful tool. Word makes this fairly quick to do, and once you know where the setting is, you can fine-tune the look of your image in just a few clicks. To begin, go to your document and select the image you want to edit. Simply click on the picture once so Word knows that's the object you want to work with. When the image is selected, you should see handles appear around it. And this also unlocks the picture editing tools you'll need in the top ribbon. Next, go to the Picture Format tab in the ribbon at the top of the Word window. This tab only appears when an image is selected, so if you don't see it right away, click the picture again. Inside the Picture Format tab, look for the Transparency option and open that menu. This is where Word gives you several quick transparency choices. From here, you can choose a preset by clicking one of the thumbnail options. Each thumbnail represents a different transparency level, so this is the fastest way to apply a basic effect instantly. As you click through the options, your image will update right away, which makes it easy to preview the result and decide what looks best in your document. This is especially helpful if you just need a quick adjustment without worrying about exact percentages. If you want more control, go back to the bottom of the transparency menu and click Picture Transparency Options. This opens the Format Picture pane on the right side of the screen. That pane gives you a more precise way to adjust the image instead of relying only on the preset choices. In the Format Picture pane, use the Transparency slider to set the exact opacity level you want. Dragging the slider one way makes the picture more transparent, while moving it the other way makes it more solid. Take your time here and adjust it gradually, especially if you're trying to balance the image with text, shapes, or a page background. Small changes can make a big difference in how polished the final document looks. Once you're happy with the result, just click away from the image and continue editing your document, and that's all it takes to make a picture transparent in Word.